A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for egg. E for egg. F for fish. F for fish. G for goat. G for goat. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for mango. M for mango. N for nest. N for nest. O for owl. O for owl. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rat. R for rat. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Quiz time. Let's go, kids. Now we have the letter C. Can you find the picture that starts with C? Is it the cat, the dog, or the kite? That's correct. C is for cat. Fantastic job. Now we have the letter F. Can you find the picture that starts with F? Is it the goat, the hen, or the fish? That's correct. F is for fish. Fantastic job. Next is the letter I. Which picture starts with I? Is it the apple, the ice cream, or the tiger? Yes, I is for ice cream. Amazing! Here's the letter M. Which picture starts with M? Is it the mango, the joker, or the orange? That's right. M is for mango. Great work!
And to watch more learning videos, subscribe to our channel, like the videos, and visit our channel to watch more videos and learn. Please subscribe to the channel.